Right, so now we've got the drill cycle done, we're going to move into our milling operation. So it's going to be a, what we're going to call 3D, a parallel. Alright, so again, we have to select a tool. So tool select brings us up to this window. We've already loaded our F1 tool library, so I can just select over here, and I can select that one. And again, all of our feed and speed rates should have been pre-entered. Have a look through these. If yours don't look the same, or if you've got any red ones on yours, make sure they look the same as these. You might have to pause this video to do that, but make sure these numbers are all the same. We don't want them being massively out, especially like slower or faster. Make sure these all add up. Again, our coolant's going to be disabled. Okay, so now we're going to choose, where's this silhouette? Selection, and we're just going to choose this box here. So that's just indicating, so that's that sketch. And that just indicates the area that we actually want to machine. Again, we're going to go through to heights and make sure that our top height is stock top, 0 offset. And our bottom height will be, again, origin minus 4 mil. Okay, and I'll just hit OK for now. Show you what it does. Now it will take a few seconds just to generate that toolpath. There we are, still showing me in simulation mode. So we'll go to simulate. We go all the way back to the start, and so if I've got one of these selected and I go to simulate, it will just show me that operation simulating. So if I just choose right setup and simulate, it will show me all of the operations. So yeah, so it does its drill cycle, and then it starts the parallel cycle. So you already saw a red flash there, so I know there's some error in my code already. And it starts machining out the car from the right hand side. A couple of little flashes. Now, a lot of these little red errors are what's called rapid collision with stock. Now, if I was doing something out of aluminium, having a rapid collision with stock would be very, very bad. Again, because we're making stuff out of balsa wood, rapid collision probably isn't the worst thing in the world. It's quite soft, and the tool's certainly not going to break because it's hitting the balsa wood too hard. So, but it's still not ideal to have these sorts of errors in your work. So this looks pretty rough. It looks nothing like what it's supposed to look like, and there's a couple of reasons for that. So one is we want to get rid of a lot of the excess material first. Real quick, we just want to go through and get rid of a whole bunch of extra stuff. The other thing that we need to change is the detail of this operation. So there's quite a large gap between each of these tool parts. So we want to tighten them up. What we're actually going to do is change the angle, because it works a bit better on a 45-degree angle than it does directly going straight this way. So I'm going to run through sort of changing these operations. So get out of our simulation. We're going to this parallel. And we're going to right click on parallel and just say edit. So one of the things we need to go through is passes. And there's two operations here we need to change. So one is a step over. It's 3 mil gap between our cuts. And we're going to change that down to 0.6, which gives us much tighter detail. We're also going to change our pass direction to 45 degrees. So you can see already how much tighter our passes are on this shape already. And if I simulate this, I'm just going to simulate the parallel this time. Speed it up. So you can see the quality of the machine is heaps better already. Oops, a bit of a glitch. Okay, I'm not going to go any further with this. So that's working okay. So as I said, the other thing I want to do is get rid of a whole bunch of the material beforehand. So I'm going to cover that in my next video.